Welcome to Rising Media. India's private space race has reached a historic turning point. Hyderabad based Skyroot Aerospace has officially become India's first space tech unicorn, crossing a valuation of $1.1 billion after securing $60 million in fresh funding. The investment round was led by major global players including Singapore's sovereign wealth fund GIC, Silicon Valley based Sherpalo Ventures, and investment giant BlackRock, a move that signals growing international confidence in India's emerging private space industry. Founded in 2018 by former engineers from Indian Space Research Organization, Skyroot Aerospace has rapidly evolved from an ambitious startup into one of India's most promising deep tech companies. The startup gained national attention in 2022 when it successfully launched Vikram S, India's first privately developed rocket. The mission was considered a landmark moment because it demonstrated that Indian private companies could independently design, build, and launch rockets, something previously dominated by government agencies and a handful of global aerospace corporations. The latest funding round takes Skyroot's total capital raise to nearly $160 million. Analysts say this milestone reflects a broader shift in how global investors now view India's technology ecosystem. While India has already produced successful fintech and software startups, Skyroot's rise marks the arrival of a new generation of high tech companies focused on aerospace, defense, manufacturing, and advanced engineering. Industry experts believe the timing is especially important. The global satellite launch market is expanding rapidly due to increasing demand for communication satellites, Earth observation systems, military surveillance, climate monitoring, and space based internet services. Smaller and cost efficient launch vehicles like Skyroot's Vikram series are expected to play a major role in this growing market. Skyroot is currently preparing for the maiden orbital launch of Vikram 1, which is expected to become India's first privately developed orbital rocket. Unlike suborbital missions, orbital launches require significantly more advanced propulsion, navigation, and payload deployment systems. A successful Vikram 1 mission would place Skyroot among a very small group of private companies worldwide capable of independently reaching orbit. The company is also investing heavily in expanding manufacturing capacity through its Infinity campus in Hyderabad, one of India's largest private rocket production facilities. The fresh funding will help increase launch frequency, strengthen supply chains, and accelerate development of the more advanced Vikram 2 rocket, which is expected to carry heavier payloads and support commercial satellite missions. Speaking after the funding announcement, CEO and co founder Pavan Kumar Chandana emphasized that rocket launch capability remains one of the world's most strategic technologies. He noted that only a limited number of countries and private firms possess the expertise to build orbital launch systems, making India's progress in the sector particularly significant. Another major highlight from the funding round is the involvement of veteran Silicon Valley investor Ram Shriram, founder of Sherpalo Ventures. Shriram, who is widely recognized as one of Google's earliest backers, will now join Skyroot's board. His participation is being viewed as a strong endorsement of India's growing deep tech and startup ecosystem, particularly in sectors requiring long term innovation and heavy engineering. Skyroot's success is also closely tied to India's policy reforms. In 2020, the Indian government officially opened the space sector to private companies, allowing startups to access ISRO testing facilities, launch infrastructure, and technical support. Skyroot became the first private startup to sign an agreement with ISRO under the new framework, giving it a critical early advantage in the rapidly expanding industry. Experts believe this unicorn milestone could trigger a wave of new investments into India's aerospace, satellite, and defense technology sectors. As geopolitical competition increasingly extends into space, countries around the world are investing heavily in domestic launch capabilities and satellite infrastructure. India, with its engineering talent and lower operational costs, is now positioning itself as a competitive player in the global commercial space economy. With Skyroot achieving unicorn status, India's space tech ecosystem enters a new era, one where private companies are no longer just supporting government missions, but actively shaping the future of global space innovation, satellite deployment, and commercial rocket launches. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in depth coverage of the stories shaping the future.